Hi, hello there. Hi. I want you to meet my brother. This is my brother. He is in the US right now and he is my guest to my live streaming and to my tutorial. Let's go. Brother, can you greet our viewers? Hi. I'm now in the US and I want to share to you what I am doing here. And later I will tour you to my house here. See you. Hey, back to you, my brother. Okay. Thank you so much, my brother. Now, today, I'm gonna show you how to make this sharing as a secondary camera, and we are only going to use cell phone or your Android phone. Okay. How to use your camera as a secondary phone to use in your live stream using OBS Ninja. This thing is what we call OBS Ninja. And to do this, I will share to you my display, my browser. Go to your web browser. Go to your web browser and open OBS Ninja. Like this. OBS. Search OBS Ninja and the first thing that comes in the browser is OBS Ninja. Click this and you will see these 4 boxes. First is create a room. This will create a room to your OBS, and you can add 4 friends in your OBS. And this second one is add your camera to OBS. If I want to add this camera just like what I did to OBS, you are going to click this. And if you want to remotely screen share into OBS, your screen or your friend's screen, this is what you are going to click. And then what I want to do now is to invite my friend camera to share in my live stream. So I'm going to click this create reusable invite. This will generate the invite link to your camera. Name this as OBS demo. Anything like that. Then generate link, create the generate link. This green screen will be your guest invite link. You are going to share this link to your friend. When your friend receives the Gmail on their end, this is what it looks like. Yeah. You can see the source OBS Ninja labeled Ninja. You will open the URL. After opening the URL, you will see the share your camera option. Please select an option to join. you click the share your camera option. Okay, just copy it and then go to your friend's Gmail and send this to your friend Gmail. After sending it to your friend's Gmail, your friend will receive. I will show you. Your friend will receive in their phone the link that you have generated. You can see here the share your camera, and then click share camera, and then you can see the start here. This is showing up in your screen. Then click start, and then this will share his camera to your live stream. Okay, let us go back to your to our Ninja service. This is what we are going to do now. After sending the link, click the OBS browser source link. Click this this link in red color, copy, and then go back to your OBS software. Open a browser like this one, browser 2, let's say for example browser 2, click OK. Then this link will be replaced by the link from your Ninja service. Paste here the link that you have copied, and then change this to your prepare the width and height of your phone, but you can customize it using use custom frame rate and then control audio via OBS. So if you know the width and length height of your camera resolution, just replace it. I know mine is 1920 over 1080. This is the full HD resolution. Then click the control audio via OBS. Then refresh browser when scene becomes active. Click this one. Then click OK. And then click the refresh button. Then click transition, wait for a while, click transition, then refresh, then this browser, this browser will show up in your screen. As you can see here, there is another camera coming up to my browser. Voila! Ayan. So, your friend is showing up now in your live stream. Whether he is in another part of the world, say hi to your friend. Ayan. So, that is how. And then, he can also share his screen, or you can make some meeting like Zoom meeting wherein 4 people can join and have fun in your live stream. That is how we do it here in OBS. So I hope you get something from my tutorial today, and see you soon on my other tutorial coming up. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you updated to my upcoming videos.